This case before the court. What's going on?
Yes, ma'am. I would like to request a child support modification.
Oh my God.
Preferably an increase in child support.
Okay.
From Mr. Hamilton.
All right. And what is the basis of your increase?
Well, he seems to never have time.
Wait a minute, pause. What is all of this going on over here?
Can't believe she got me here.
You have somewhere else to be? Do you have something else to do?
No.
Oh,
I'm
okay.
good. Go ahead.
So as long as you're going to sit there, you're going to behave, okay? Okay, thank you.
Welcome back to the channel, where courtroom realities meet real-life consequences. In today's episode, we dive into the case of Hamilton versus Hamilton, a request for a child support modification that quickly turns into a heated session filled with accusations, interruptions, and personal drama. As the case opens, the courtroom is called to order, and Ms. Hamilton wastes no time expressing her frustration. She requests an increase in child support, claiming Mr. Hamilton never has time for their two children. The judge, keeping firm control of the courtroom, pauses to address Mr. Hamilton's dismissive behavior and fidgeting, setting the tone that this court will not tolerate disrespect. Ms. Hamilton continues.
You may continue.
Thank you, Yana. Well, it seems like he never has time for his kids, and
How many kids do you all have?
we have two kids, Your Honor.
Okay. Were you all ever married?
Never married.
Okay.
I don't have time for a whoremonger.
A who?
A whoremonger. He's a whoremonger.
Okay, you know what? We're not even here to address whether or not he's a whoremonger or not. We're here to talk about a modification in child support, right?
Yes, sure. I'm sorry.
Okay,
Your
so
Honor.
let's stay focused on what we're talking about. Continue.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I just feel like.
Don't apologize. Just do what I asked you to do
Yes,
and continue.
Yes, ma'am.
Expressing concerns at Mr. Hamilton's personal lifestyle, specifically his alleged string of female clients, interferes with the time he should be spending with their kids. She even refers to him as a whoremonger, a term that instantly prompts the judge to redirect focus. The judge firmly reminds both parties that this is not a forum for personal attacks, nor is it custody court. This is about numbers, facts, and what's in the best interest of the children. Ms. Hamilton attempts to justify the increase by implying Mr. Hamilton has gained more clients and therefore more income. The judge carefully narrows the conversation, steering it toward financials rather than personal opinions. As the discussion moves to Mr. Hamilton's income, we learn he makes $70,000 annually as an accountant. When asked about his involvement with his children, Mr. Hamilton insists he spends quality time with them, taking them to parks, restaurants, and engaging in fun activities.
Sir, Mr. Can't Be Still. How much money do you make a year?
70.
$70,000, okay. And let me ask you this, why haven't you been spending any time with your kids?
I do spend time with my kids. I don't know what she's talking
Define
about.
how you spend time with your kids. What
Oh,
do you
let's
do?
see. Taking them to Chuck E. Cheese.
Okay.
Cooking.
Okay,
you know,
that's
taking them to the
parenting. We're
park.
not-
Yeah, you know,
yeah, okay.
fun stuff.
Okay.
She's the one that's not spending time. She's spending time with her little midget friend Rufus.
Oh, okay. So both of you have other little friends and all that kind of stuff.
Yeah, no, that's her. She's always going to these
So,
little people
You know
clubs.
what? We're going to focus on the kids now.
In turn, he accuses Ms. Hamilton of neglecting the kids in favor of spending time with her new partner, Rufus. The judge quickly shuts down this line of conversation, emphasizing once again that neither Rufus nor Mr. Hamilton's clients are relevant unless they directly affect child support. The courtroom tension is palpable, but the judge remains composed, focused, and methodical. Ms. Hamilton presses on, claiming she's sure Mr. Hamilton's income has increased. But when the judge asks for concrete evidence, she has none. Instead, her testimony relies heavily on assumptions and emotional frustrations.
Y'all cook. Y'all do all those things together. Spend time. Okay, ma'am.
See?
Now you heard me. Excuse me. I'll fix that, okay? Now you heard me say something to him about speaking out of turn, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so I'm going to need you to put a muzzle on that mouth.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Sir, now, you make $70,000 a year now, correct?
Yes,
Correct?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, just making sure your documents that you turned in are accurate and correct. I see 70,000, 2 kids. Okay, who covers health insurance?
I do.
How much is health insurance?
102.
The court uses Mr. Hamilton's declared income and documentation to calculate child support. At $70,000 per year with 2 children and a $12 monthly health insurance contribution, Mr. Hamilton's net income comes to $4,638.68 after applying the appropriate credit for health insurance. The final child support order is set at $1,437.00 per month. At this point, Mr. Hamilton reacts visibly, his discomfort evident. The judge, staying firm, reminds him that child support isn't arbitrary. It's based on a legal formula tied to his income and expenses, not on emotions or convenience.
It's obvious why the two of you are not together, okay? So I have your gross at $5,800, your net at $4,638.68, and you pay health insurance for the children, excuse me. So you pay health insurance. How much is health insurance?
102.
102. Let me make sure I give you a credit for that. So with the credit, child support is $1,043.70. Sir, is there anything wrong? Did I say something wrong?
When Ms. Hamilton asks if the judge can require Mr. Hamilton to spend more time with kids, she's told once again, this isn't custody court. The judge can't force a parent to be present but can encourage it. Mr. Hamilton insists he already does his part and even offers to show videos and pictures as proof. The judge acknowledges the effort, but reminds both parties that co-parenting requires mutual cooperation. Children benefit most when both parents can set aside personal differences and prioritize the child's well-being. The hearing ends with one final jab about Rufus, which the judge promptly shuts down. This case is about child support, not romantic entanglements. What makes this episode particularly engaging is how it highlights a common issue in family court: emotional conflict spilling over into financial disputes. It shows the challenges judges face in managing personalities, diffusing drama, and keeping the focus on the children. Thanks for watching this breakdown on my channel. If you found this video informative, be sure to subscribe, leave a comment, and share your thoughts. You never know. Your story or someone you know might just appear in a future episode. Until next time, stay informed.